Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan about irrigation, and now Karol is back with a recipe to share. Taryn is standing by now with more.
Thank you, John. 4th of July is tomorrow. Many people are planning parties. It's always a festive time of year. You've got your 4th of July outfit on, Karol.
Absolutely.
And this is a fun recipe. You call it a festive 4th of July dessert?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Well, I start out with, I make a no-bake graham cracker crust, and I use graham crackers, and I just roll my own. You can buy, I think, crumbs in the store. And butter, you melt the butter and add some sugar to your graham crackers and then stir it up. And this is what you end up with. And then my pudding is Philadelphia cream cheese, a box of instant pudding, tub of Cool Whip, and a cup and a half of milk. You can't go wrong on that. That's good on everything, no matter what.
Does it matter what kind of milk you use?
I think you can use any kind. Probably skim milk would be okay. I had 2%.
Okay, if you want to cut back the calories a bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Awesome.
Strawberries and blueberries, and then what we do is layer it in here, and I have one started, but here, you know, use about 1/4 of a cup of your graham cracker.
Alrighty.
And then I started with a layer of pudding in there, and then we'll put a layer of some strawberries.
Okay.
And then I'll get another layer of pudding ready. And then we'll put another of blueberries on there.
on top?
About the same, yeah.
Perfect.
And then we'll top it with any kind of whipped topping that you desire. And it's just pretty. And it's tasty. You can make this ahead of time and it'll keep in the refrigerator for, you know, like 2 days without the topping on. Just put your topping on.
Put this on later so it doesn't get soggy, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, where did you find this recipe?
I've always had this no-bake crust recipe. I think I probably found it online someplace because sometimes you had to bake them, and I don't like to do that. This was something I just kind of concocted, trial and error. And then so we ate a lot of that.
And then you tried this whole thing out on the church ladies.
Yes, I tried it on the church ladies. They loved it because if you don't have to cook, everybody loves food. So it was fun.
Perfect. So they gave it a thumbs up.
They gave it a thumbs up. I got some ready for tonight for our festivities. So we are good to go.
How do you celebrate tonight, Karol?
We're going to go have a barbecue, and then we can, where the family lives, we can watch the fireworks at the high school there in Columbus.
A lot of people doing it tonight, aren't they? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we have the finished ones here. I'm going to give it a try.
Yeah, and they're just so pretty and so really tasty. And like I said, they last. You can make them ahead of time, and it'll work.
Very good. It's very light. Yeah, I know this is something I should be making for today or tomorrow.
I didn't want to stir up the pudding on the set because it takes quite a while to get it all. You know, it's more than 3 minutes to stir it up.
Do you use a mixer or by hand? Okay, use the mixer. Okay, so this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Try it for today and tomorrow. Thank you, Karol.
Yes, thank you very much.
We appreciate it. Back to you.